Hey everyone, it's Erin from Florida Drone Supply. Today we're diving into the top 5 drones of 2024. We've handpicked these models based on their performance, features, and popularity across commercial, industrial, consumer, and professional markets. Let's take a look at which drones made the cut. First up, we have the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This consumer and professional drone features a triple lens camera system, 43 minutes of flight time, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and advanced flight modes like ActiveTrack. This drone is best for professional photographers, content creators, and drone enthusiasts who need high-quality imaging and long-range capabilities. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a flagship enterprise-grade drone designed for professional photographers, filmmakers, surveying, inspection, and industrial applications. Known for its advanced camera system, impressive flight time, and high-performance features, it is ideal for users who require both high-quality imagery and reliable flight performance. Next, we have the Teledyne FLIR SIRAS, a consumer and professional drone that's best for security, search and rescue, and law enforcement. The SIRAS features an integrated thermal camera, 30-minute flight time, user-friendly smart flight modes, and much more. The Teledyne FLIR SIRAS is an excellent choice for professionals in the public safety, law enforcement, and security industries. With its combination of thermal imaging, 4K visual camera, and advanced flight capabilities, it offers a versatile solution for a range of use cases where visibility and precision are critical. Its compact design and quick deployment make it easy to transport and operate, while the built-in autonomous flight modes reduce the need for extensive pilot training. Additionally, its thermal camera gives users an edge in low visibility environments, offering reliable results during nighttime operations or adverse weather conditions. Whether you're conducting surveillance, involved in search and rescue, or performing critical inspections, the Teledyne FLIR SIRAS provides the tools you need for effective decision-making and mission success. Our third top drone of 2024 is the DJI Matrice 350 RTK. The Matrice 350 is an enterprise and industrial drone that is great for surveying, inspection, and mapping in various industries like construction, energy, and agriculture. Key features include RTK and GNSS support for high-precision surveying and mapping, different payload options that support multiple sensors, including LiDAR, RGB cameras, and thermal sensors, and up to 55 minutes of flight time. Its IP55 rating is also great for those needing a drone to work in more rugged weather and environments. The DJI Matrice 350 RTK is a versatile and rugged drone that is ideal for enterprise-level applications. Whether you are involved in high-precision surveying, industrial inspections, search and rescue operations, or agriculture monitoring, the Matrice 350 RTK offers the necessary tools and reliability to get the job done. Next up, we have the Autel EVO Max 4N. This industrial drone retains the advantages of the Max series and introduces new innovations like the Starlight camera. The 42 minutes of flight time, 720-degree protection with obstacle avoidance, an IP43 rating, and semi-autonomous functions with clear nighttime imaging capabilities, and the ability to use thermal imaging make this a standout drone for 2024. The Autel EVO Max 4N is a highly versatile and feature-rich enterprise and industrial drone that is ideal for professional surveying, inspection, agriculture, and search and rescue operations. Its advanced camera system, RTK precision, and long flight times make it an excellent choice for demanding missions where both accuracy and high-quality imaging are required. Whether you're a surveying professional, a search and rescue team, or a security operator, the Autel EVO Max 4N provides all the tools needed to perform complex tasks with ease and efficiency. Last up, we have the Autel USA Gov Edition, an enterprise drone made for first responders and the most demanding professional users. With 32 minutes of flight time, thermal camera integration, and the ability to deploy in under a minute, this drone is a go-to tool for public safety and law enforcement. It's also a strong option for construction and utility inspections. The Autel is a rugged, high-performance enterprise drone that is designed for professional use in surveillance, inspection, mapping, agriculture, and public safety applications. Built with a focus on ease of use, portability, and advanced imaging capabilities, the Autel is a versatile drone, ideal for mission-critical tasks in industries such as law enforcement, search and rescue, infrastructure inspection, and geospatial mapping. This drone combines advanced camera technology, real-time data streaming, RTK precision, and intuitive controls to offer a comprehensive solution for various sectors. These drones represent the best of what 2024 has to offer in terms of flight technology, camera systems, and advanced features, catering to both consumer, professional, and industrial sectors. Whether you're a professional photographer, a public safety officer, a surveyor, or an engineer conducting infrastructure inspections, these drones can take your operations to the next level with precision, durability, and innovative technology. If you're looking for portability, advanced payload options, or cutting-edge thermal imaging, there's a drone for every need. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or visit us online at FLIRDronesFly.com. As always, thank you for watching and enjoy your flight.